Down on the south side, we haven't been here in a while, so we thought we'd check it out.
Yeah, it's been what, probably 2-3 months since we've been
Yeah.
here. So
Yeah, we'll see what we can find. Hopefully some good stuff. We'll see you in there.
let's go to brand right here. If you ever see this logo, this is Rome. You see it's got some stuff going on. See if I could show the actual thing on it. But the sweatpants are usually pretty good. These should go for 35 bucks, so not too bad. Ended up getting 2 other things. This is a brand called Gramisi, if you could see that. There you go. Some like, I think vintage pants, Y2K. It is tiny, extra small, but comp's going for about 30. And then this is a just interesting looking Patagonia. It's definitely older. If I could find the exact print, it may not be bad. Keep looking through the men's pants, see if there's any more. Alright, ended up finding 2 more of those Gramisi. These are actually size small, which is a little bit better than the extra small. One is a nice pink, so that should help. Like I said, comps are going for probably 30. Some go for even more than that. The pink ones might go for 40 or 50, so never know. Not too bad. Not finding a whole lot. I'm gonna go through the women's stuff, see what we find.
So I found some pretty good stuff in the women. This is, I've never heard of this Zadig Voltaire. That's pretty good. And it's brand new. Looks like it's 30-40 bucks. That has a $108 price tag.
Big.
This is a J. Jill Love Linen. I just got it because it's half price, so it'll be like $3.
Nice.
This is another one, Lola River. Just got it because it's a denim snap shirt. Like 25-30 bucks, so not too bad. Oh, Allie Miles. Very
Nice.
nice.
Those are always good.
So there's another Allie Miles.
Oh, same style. That's
Yeah,
cool.
same kind of thing. This Harley's kind of nice. Women's Harley Davidson. It's got these snaps that are the like that. So that'll be good. Don't buy Harley too often anymore because
Yeah, they're kind
not as
of
great.
hit and miss.
little Lulu,
A little swiftly tech.
little Lululemon Swiftly Tech, $6.29. That'll be decent. Proving Connection.
Oh, nice.
I'm assuming that's a dress, but
Yeah, it does
size
look
small
like it.
dress.
Speaking of
That'll be
which,
pretty nice.
I'll just show that. I ended up finding one too. This one's brand new, which is pretty awesome. Only $6. It might also be a dress. I don't know. What do you think?
Is it size medium? Probably just a long shirt. I don't know. Get a short dress. One or the other.
Not too bad.
I don't know. Not bad. Got this Built t-shirt. I was going to look this up. I don't know. Drop cut SS Henley. We'll see. Sometimes Built's good. And then that's about it. I got this Columbia jacket that's down, 15 nut bucks, a little bit high, but kind of nice with the hood and all. It would fit my daughter, so.
That's true.
Oh well, my kid. We'll see. Oh, and I also got a bra. Nice bra.
Nice.
It's the Goddess bra.
Goddess. The Goddess. Then I also got a little Allie Miles, if y'all see. Pretty simple, $3. And then pretty good brand to look for called Escada. This is a cashmere silk sweater. Didn't see any holes or rips or anything, so just a tiny little mark on it. Probably $40, so not bad.
Yeah, I got a container. There's no drawers for it now.
See what the drop cut Henley is worth. Like 17 to 19. That's not bad for $6.79. I don't know. Oh, it's got a stain on it too. All right, putting it back. It's got a stain, but that's a good brand to look for. Built. Sometimes it's decent. It just depends. So.
If you find like
Those
their
are right.
pullovers and pants and all, they sell for 35, $40 easy.
Yeah, those
So
are pretty good. Pants are good for sure.
all right.
All right, we're probably gonna head to the next thrift store. Let's go someplace else. We'll see. I found this too. This bag of toys. Definitely take a look at some of these. This is $6.99, and it had like this guy's little Transformer. They said Transformer Power Rangers. That's kind of cool. This one, Jack said, is Megatron. And this is the Gorilla guy. What is that guy called? It's the Transformers
Primal?
Beast. primal, yeah, things. So, and then a bunch of other old stuff in here. Here's another one. I don't know who this dude is.
Probably another.
This is like a lion thing. It's another one of those beast transformers. And then little parts and stuff in here. And then it's got a few Beyblades in there. So definitely a good deal. Check out those for sure.
So I just came from a rack right over there, somewhere over there, and got 5 Eileen Fishers. I'm going to show you all. This one's just a real nice simple one, $6, cardigan. This is a really nice linen button up. Another, I would presume, linen.
Crazy, all Eileen Fisher, man.
This one is 8, but they just sell so well. This one's really cool. I was looking up the inside tag. It's made out of a little bit of camel hair.
Huh.
And
Kind of a different, weird, it's got like wings on it.
Huh.
Yeah. That's kind of
It'll
the new
probably sell
style,
well.
I guess, yeah.
And then some Eileen Fisher pants. They are cropped, but I bet these will
pretty
sell
good.
pretty well. And they look like, they feel like they're maybe cotton or linen, so not too bad. Goodwill number 2.
Dude, did really well with that other one. Hopefully this one is good. This one's usually the better one, so we'll see. Alright, found a few decent things at this Goodwill that I haven't shown. This is Sweaty Betty. I don't see that too often. Little crop top, and it's half price, so good deal. Really nice John Mark. Look at that. It's kind of like velvet too on the sleeves. That should be a really good one. This is a half price men's Lulu.
Looks like the dry vent.
There's something on the bottom.
And that's
Better
awesome.
every day. Yeah. And then a couple of half price Athleta. Normally wouldn't buy Athleta, but if you can get it for $2-3, they sell decent. I'll look this one up. Chelsea and Violet. It's brand new and it's half price, so I'll probably get that. This is, if you ever find these soccer jerseys, definitely look them up. Some of them can be pretty good. These were kind of all over the place, but looks like it should be decent. And then these, you guys tell me, somebody tell me on the comments. These are all Free People. This is Free People Movement. This is We the Free. I think that's a newer style. Free People Beach. And then Intimately Free People. I'm really on the fence with these because sometimes it sells and sometimes it doesn't. If like Hustle at Home Mamas out there, if you could leave us a comment, that'd be awesome. Would you buy these? Would you be able to sell these? Because, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I might buy, might not buy. I don't know. For now, I have to beat Jack down to this end so that I can look at this stuff. Fine.
So
Okay.
I ended up finding a couple things when I was going through here. This is a great brand to look for called Suit Supply. This is silk wool cashmere. It's mainly silk.
Yeah, that's nice.
These sweaters sell great, $35-40 a piece, especially come fall. Sell super quickly. Found a really nice Icy by Connie K.
Oh yeah, those sell great. This is a really good brand, definitely to look for. All the ones I've gotten sell just really quickly.
Found a really nice Pendleton. This is made in USA wool shirt.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It's got a little bit of a stain, so we'll see if we can.
Again, on these,
remove
just really look for holes. That's the main thing on 100% wool stuff like this. Older Pendleton.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that one looks good.
Yeah. Too much. Found some men's Viore.
Awesome.
So nice jogger pants. As you can see right there. I think they were size large for $7. These are probably $35-40 pair of pants.
Very good.
And then some nice Lulu shorts. It's kind of like a sweat short.
Cool.
Probably $30. And then if you all saw from the short, found these Brunello Susanelli, I guess that's what how to pronounce it, but the exact one sold for like $200 or something crazy for this brand.
Definitely the best thing we've found all day and will find, I'm sure. That's amazing.
Very great item right there.
I just want to say that Jack and I, we started on this aisle here, and I'm right here. This is the end of mine, like 3 sections, and Jack made it all the way to the very end of that section. I don't know what the heck's going on there. All right, we are back. Thank you guys for watching. It was kind of cool. We hadn't been to those thrift stores for Man,
Couple
2 or
months.
3 months. So that's always cool because you just kind of look at everything, man, and end up finding some good stuff.
Mm-hmm. As you all saw, like those really nice Brunelli Cucinelli. I think that's how they said to pronounce it. Yeah, crazy find. I just happened to see it said made in Italy. Most of the time, you know, made in Italy can either be super high end like that or it can be worth nothing. So those ended up being a holy grail for the Goodwill.
That was fantastic. We found lots of stuff. Some really nice John Mark shirt that was really nice, and several kind of bread and butter things. So
That was
some really good inventory to sell. So that was awesome. So we'll kind of have to see how I bought just a couple of those. Was it Free People and Free People Movement and that? We'll see how those sell. They haven't been great for us lately, so it's kind of an experiment. We'll see how that does. So, well, we appreciate you guys watching. You got anything else?
I don't think so. Those pants were the main thing for me.
Very excited about it.
Pretty amazing. I was so excited when I got it. And it was only $3. It was crazy.
Great deal. Great deal. Well, thank you guys for watching. Give us that thumbs up. Leave us a comment. That'd be awesome. Thanks. See you next time.